Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Venmo transfers. As a popular peer-to-peer payment service, Venmo provides an easy and convenient way to send and receive money. To get the most out of Venmo and ensure your transactions are secure and successful, follow these step-by-step guidelines. First, it is essential to understand the basics of Venmo. Venmo allows you to link your bank account, credit card, or debit card to your account, making it easy to send and receive money. You can also use Venmo to split bills, pay for goods and services, and even purchase cryptocurrency. When setting up your Venmo account, make sure to choose a strong and unique password, and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. It is also crucial to verify your identity and link your bank account or card to avoid any transaction limits. To send money on Venmo, simply tap the Pay button, enter the recipient's username, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment to describe the transaction. Make sure to double-check the recipient's username and the amount before confirming the payment. When receiving money on Venmo, you can choose to leave the funds in your Venmo account or transfer them to your bank account. Keep in mind that transferring funds to your bank account may take a few days to process. One of the most important best practices for Venmo transfers is to only send money to people you know and trust. Be cautious when receiving requests from unknown users, and never send money to someone you do not know. Additionally, be aware of any suspicious activity on your account, such as unauthorized transactions or login attempts. To avoid any issues with your Venmo account, make sure to keep your account information up to date and monitor your transaction history regularly. You can also use Venmo's built-in features, such as the social feed, to stay connected with friends and family, and share payments and purchases. In conclusion, following these best practices for Venmo transfers can help you use the service safely and efficiently. By understanding the basics of Venmo, setting up your account securely, and being cautious when sending and receiving money, you can get the most out of Venmo and enjoy a seamless payment experience. Remember to always prioritize security, and stay informed about any updates or changes to Venmo's features and policies.